Hello, welcome to your latest update from the Met Office for Scotland. Some heavy rain heading across Scotland this weekend, especially in the west. That rain could cause some problems. We have a Met Office yellow warning in force. The rain really setting in on Saturday night and lasting for much of Sunday. Before we get there, though, there's been some wet weather around on Friday morning. That is clearing away to the south, lingering perhaps across the borders, Dumfries and Galloway, into the middle of the afternoon. Following on, it's turning brighter, but we do have showers, some heavy showers over the Highlands and the Western Isles especially. But some elsewhere, well, the odd shower, yes, but some sunny spells and temperatures, Aberdeenshire, 17, maybe 18 Celsius. More typically, though, 14 or 15. It is quite blustery as well. Gusty conditions, especially over the Highlands and the Western Isles with those frequent heavy and perhaps thundery showers, which keep going overnight. The showers just keep feeding on. Again, a chance of thunderstorms in places. Much of the east and the south will stay largely dry and clear. It will turn a bit chilly, but that brisk wind will help temperatures from dropping too far, probably staying in double digits in some towns and cities, but in rural areas, single figures, and the Grampians well down into single figures in a few sites. So a fresh start to Saturday, certainly. It'll be a blustery start as well. Again, it's going to be quite a windy day with more showers across the west. They'll keep on coming throughout the day, especially around the mid-morning into the lunchtime period. The early afternoon may just see the showers fading a little bit as we start to see next weather system. That's why we have the warning in force coming in. More on that in just a moment. Ahead of that, again, much of the east and the south not seeing too many showers. Some sunny spells and a fairly brisk and gusty wind. Temperature-wise, well, again, parts of Aberdeenshire could get temperatures into the high teens with some lengthy spells of sunshine, but more typically 14 or 15, and feeling cooler when the heavy showers come along and because of those gusty winds. Now, the showers will continue to ease later on Saturday, but here comes that weather system, and that's why we have the warning in force. It keeps going, that rain across the Highlands and the Western Isles, especially through Saturday night and for most of Sunday. Still a bit of uncertainty about how far north the persistent rain will be. It doesn't look like we'll see much through the central belts, but as I said, certainly across the Highlands and the Western Isles, that rain really building up. So that's why we have that yellow warning in force. Widely 25 to 50 millimetres of rain. That's at low levels. Over the hills 100, 150, maybe as much as 180 millimetres of rain falling through Saturday night and Sunday. That could cause some local flooding, certainly could cause some local travel disruption, maybe even some power issues as well. So just be aware, it is going to be a very wet spell indeed. So it's very wet in the west on Sunday, but Northern Isles may not see much of that rain. And actually in the east, we may see some spells of sunshine. And look at the temperatures starting to creep up. It is going to turn a bit warmer as we go into the early part of next week. More details on that and the very latest on the Met Office weather warnings. Make sure you're following the Met Office on social media.